Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome to a weekend in my life. Today we are taking a little trip to LA.
First we went to Ross, didn't find anything. Came to Marshall's, found a lot of things. Gonna spend a lot of money right now, but it's okay. We are at In-N-Out. I didn't even tell you what we have going on tonight. So the reason we are in this area is because we're going to an LA Kings hockey game. I've never seen a hockey game in my life, not on TV, not in person, so this is a first for me. We're meeting up with some friends. It's gonna be a good night.
Got hot Cheeto stuff under my nails, man.
We're en route to the hockey game. We are almost to the hockey arena. Well, the crypto arena, formerly is known as the Staples Center. There is so much traffic in LA, it's ridiculous. It just took us like 30 minutes to drive 3 miles. We're walking to meet our friends at the crypto arena.
Let's go Kings!
Let's go Kings! We don't know nothing about hockey or the Kings.
It's been a lot of fun. Obviously, focusing on.
Skunk Kings!
I love hockey! Going into overtime, y'all.
We just went into overtime. We scored at the last minute. We won the game, and now we need to beat the traffic. I'm out of shape. I think I have asthma. Where's it at? But look at this, y'all.
Look how beautiful that is.
Wow. Woo. Oh Lord.
My girl out of shape.
I am out of shape. I gotta get with it. Good morning. We are at the hair salon because Mr. Cato needs to get his hair washed. How are you feeling? The people would love to know how you're feeling.
About on been a dog lover. shower, my hair is good now. You know, I feels good, smooth, be chilling, relaxing.
Hair has been washed.
I was grumpy earlier. I was. But I love my leather. Just needed my hair washed off. Close my eyes a little bit.
Even though I unraveled your braids and let you sleep a little bit longer. Didn't I?
Right.
You smell good.
I always smell good.
We're back from the hair salon, but we're going to detangle some more because Kato's hair dries and gets tangled really quickly, so we're doing a good detangling. Oh, are you just the handsomest?
Yeah, thank you for taking care of me today, baby girl.
Wow. That looks so good. Feel better?
Yeah, for sure. I think we went a little light today.
It's Sunday, y'all. You know what that means. Sunday reset. We are cleaning the apartment. I'm about to tackle the shower. I feel like I've not talked much in this vlog, but we've just been running lots of errands, taking care of all the things, so today we're taking care of our home. Hands down, my least favorite chore is dishes, so Kato took care of those, but my second least favorite is cleaning the shower, and unfortunately it's my chore, so we've got the gloves on. This yellow stuff on the wall, that's not us, okay? That's been there since we moved in. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.